Welcome to Means Woodshop. And making this really fancy clipboard shop kit box.
Called Means Woodshop Cheer.
Making this awesome beer mug for your dead bird protection. I did not think that I was going to be making a technique. I'm Caleb with Means Woodshop, and I was in a bind with not enough space for my utensils. We're gonna make this one out of walnut and cherry, so let's check it out. We have a pretty small kitchen, and over here in this little corner we have this metal canister container thing that holds our kitchen utensils, and it worked fine until I got into woodworking. This thing is so crammed, and I've got this. It's made a lot like the beer mugs. I have this large piece of walnut and some leftover cherry. I want a piece of cherry that's the same length as this walnut. Yeah, almost just like the beer mug. I'm gonna cut a bunch of strips. Now I'm just cutting all my strips down to a 9-degree angle. I'm glad I did a test on here because it's, now that I'm looking at it, this is too tall. Make sure to write your secret message on somewhere in there. I'll go back over all of this and spread the glue out with a brush after I get all the slots filled. Alright, this is the scary part. We'll probably let this sit maybe overnight. See how it's turned out. Pretty good. I've mixed up some sawdust and glue to fill in some gaps I had, but once I sanded that away, you'll never be able to tell that there was any gaps. I think with a little bit of elbow grease, I could get it flat doing it this way. I need a bigger sheet of sandpaper to do this. Hand sanding for the win this time. We're your dead burn eye protection. Just putting a round over on this. I'm gonna use plywood for that because I'm trying to conserve as much cherry and walnut wood that I have left. So I'm gonna use this plywood. You're never gonna see it. It's gonna be inset, so yeah. Man, sanding those to fit was really a pain, and I got some gaps, but I don't really care because it's going to be inset and you'll never see it.
Test?
Yeah, Adam, what is that?
Wood.
What kind of wood?
I don't know. Is it cherry?
It is cherry.
Ah, that's walnut.
That's walnut. Adam knows his stuff.
No, I don't.
You got it right.
They were lucky guesses.
And you get a double feature because I was simultaneously working on this. Again, I'd like to give a shout out to Jeff the Hokey for pointing out the fact that maybe this is common woodworking knowledge, maybe it's not. I didn't know it. Once you get all your slats cut, you divide 180 by the number of strips you have, and that'll give you the angle that you need. I hope you liked it. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd love to have you subscribe to the channel as well, because I have new woodworking videos every single week, and those have now been moved to Friday. I was releasing my videos every Monday. Monday just doesn't feel like a good day to release videos because everybody's at work, or you know, when they get home from work, maybe they just want to go to bed or turn their favorite TV show on instead of checking out a video. So now look forward to my videos. They'll be out Friday. If you hit the little notification bell, you'll be notified every time a new video is uploaded. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.